Hello guys, welcome back. This is the third video in learning Flask at Google Colab. In the second video, we have learned how to pass some of the values from our Python to HTML file. We have covered this method in which we have sent some scores as marks in a score.html, and this is our score.html which we have made. So today we will learn that how can we inherit one HTML file into another. This will save your time, save your number of line of codes. As you can see that in our page2.html there is another code. In a score.html there is another one, and in home.html there is another one. Okay, but suppose if you are making your web page, but not only one web page website, there will be multiple files. There will be multiple HTML files, and all files will have some common things like navbar, like any links, like contact us, FAQ, something like that. Okay, so if you will write all the things in all HTML files, then it will uh, take your time, and also it will uh, increase your line of codes. Okay, but if you will inherit one into another one, then it will save. So how can you do that? Let's see. So for that, suppose I have to make here one HTML file, and I will make it the main file like index.html. Okay, index.html. Okay, it is index.html. Now let's open it. Now suppose I have written something in index.html. Suppose let's go to bootstrap and copy some navbars from there. Suppose this is the navbar, okay, and I'm copying this. So just come here and I'm pasting it here. Okay, so this navbar will be done here. Let's give some HTML first, and it will be here. We can write like so. Under HTML, there is only one navbar, okay, and there might be some titles, some bodies, etc. So if it is your navbar, let's copy some more things like let's give some footer. Okay, just for example, let us copy this one and come here. We paste it. Okay, so this will be like footer and this will be like navbar, and under this I'll make one body tag. Okay, and let's close this body, and under this I will write all the things which we require in index.html. Okay, so here suppose I have one h1. This is your index page. Okay, and now let's close this h1. Okay, done. Now there is only one text, this is your index page. In your index.html, let's save it, and I will write something here. And what I will write here? I'll just come here and I will use Jinja 2 template. With using Jinja 2 template, we can inherit. We have already seen how to use if block from Jinja 2. So we will see here that how can we inherit the things from one HTML file to another one. So how will you do that? So for that, I will for body tag, I will open one block. So I will write like this entire block, and I will name it body, and again percentile, and now I will copy after closing the body tag, and here I will just write in block. Done. So we have opened the body tag and we have closed the end block with using end block. So when you will inherit this index.html in another HTML file, then under this body tag you can write anything. All the other things will be inherited which are not in any blocks. So how can you do? Let's see. Suppose let us make one another file and I will name it like page3.html. Okay. So it is made. Now under page3.html, I will just inherit. So for inheriting, you will have to write like this. Extends. Extends. And what you will have to extend? So you will extend index.html. Okay. And let's close this. And now we'll use block body and then I will end the body. Okay. So just come here and copy this one and paste it. Okay. Now you will see here if I will write like this. Let's copy this thing again from index. Okay. Suppose I have made this body here and here I am writing this is your page 3 and let us suppose uh, let us make one para here and under this I'll write enjoy inherited HTML file. Done. Okay, now let's save it. Now let's see how can we use these things. Okay, we have made two HTML files, index.html and page3.html. So let's come into another example. Let's make one code block here and let's paste it, and let us suppose I have to make one index.html. I have made index.html. Okay, so under home let us pass index. So our first page will be index.html, and suppose this is page 2 and let us make another one and I will make it as page 3. Okay, and here I will inherit page 3. Just delete this and let's name it as page 3. It will not ask for anything. This is page 2, this is home. Okay, let's make it index. Okay, it is home, that's it, no problem. So it is index.html, it is page 2.html, and it is page 3.html. Okay, now we will see that when we will jump to page 2, then nothing will be happen in page 2. It will be just like this. It will show welcome to homepage and your name. But in page3.html, it should inherit all the codes under index. So let's see. So for that, I will have to start the things again. So I will first install all the things because we are in Google Colab and all the times you will run your code, you will have to install the things. It is installing. Okay. Now let us mount our drive. Mount. Okay, done. Now let us come to our code and now let's run. So it is running here. Let's jump and let's see if it is working. So you will see that it is working. Navbar is showing these things are showing, okay, and it is showing that this is your index page. So you are at index page, okay. Now let us go to page 2. So if you will go to page 2, it will ask for something, ask your name. So let's give it one name and you will see that welcome to page CID. Okay, and now let's jump to page 3. So it will inherit all the things. So it is not working. Let's see what happened. Page 3. We have not saved to page 3. We have saved. Okay. I have done one mistake here. Let's run again. Our root word mistake. So let's jump here. And now let's jump at page 3. So you will see here that all the things which were written in index.html is now inherited in page 3. As you can see, this is the content of page 3 in your inherited HTML file. So like this, you can inherit one HTML file into another one. Now as you can see here that all the things here are very odd. Like there is no any CSS applied here. So in the next video, we will learn how to apply CSS and also JavaScript. We will apply Bootstrap CSS, Bootstrap JS and also our custom CSS and JS files. So stay tuned. In the next video, we will learn those things. Thanks for watching.